Alright, we are back at it again today. Today I'm going to change the clutch on the GTR. Oh, this one is slipping. It is slipping. So I was going to do a rebuild kit, but Nori had a friend that had a triple plate that he just recently rebuilt, and he was like he'll sell it because he was taking it out. So I bought it from him. Literally had, he said 500 kilometers. So pretty much broken in, but for my setup, I want to break it in a little bit more just to make sure. So I'm going to drive it maybe like 200 kilometers, no beating on it, no nothing crazy. And we'll go from there. We will go from there. So right now I'm going to head to Courtney's hobby shop, which is closer to where my house is. So I'm gonna go to Courtney, hit up their hobby shop. Hopefully they have a transmission jack, and I'll get the wrenching. Let's get this clutch out, assess anything that's inside, put it back together, have a better car. Let's do this. Just to show you what I'm talking about, can't show you right now, but RPMs, like if I give it boost, it's not holding it. It's like literally, the view is so nice. I think I'm gonna turn the AC on. Yep, because I got damn near fuel tank of gas. So let's turn the AC on. There's no reason to ride around here hot. Let's do this. See what I'm saying? See, this is what you get. This is what happens in Okinawa. This right here will pull out in front of you and then go slow as hell. This is what happens right here. This is what you get. They pull out in front of people and then go this speed. Alright. Got the inside taken loose. And now going up. Pretty much anything in the engine bay you can leave connected. Unless something is like really tight with the piping, then I would take it off, but I think everything should be good to go with my piping. So we'll raise it up and start on the bottom, get the exhaust, get the downpipe off, get this bar off, get the clutch off, the cross member. There we go then. It's been about 30, probably about 45 minutes, close to an hour. Got the transmission down, got the clutch pressure plate off. Gonna take the plates out and get ready to replace them with the other ones. Looks to look like it got pretty hot. So yeah, the blue discoloration, like that's warm, right? That's hot. So we're gonna take this one out and replace it. Let's do this. As I said before, this clutch was in at 32 and it's set for like 13 years. So this right here is 13 year of wear and tear on the clutch. You can see all the stuff coming out of it. It's definitely knuckled up. Damn it, that's hot. That's how it goes. One, so it goes first, second, third. You can see, yeah, that's gone. We'll compare it to the new one. But got the flywheel also. So this bad boy here is about to come out. Alright, got the old clutch out. Got the new one here. So while everything's out, it's good to assess anything that going back in. Make sure you grease up the inside of the throwout bearing. Grease the inside of the where it rides onto the input shaft. My pilot bearing is good. Spigot, as some of the other people call it. That's good. So I just replaced that when I put this engine in, so there's nothing wrong with that. Everything seems to be okay. I don't see anything crazy. So we will throw this back together and have everything ready. Also make sure you I'm gonna take it off here. Make sure you grease this also inside of here, because it'll make noise. That will make noise, so go with grease. This grease I'm using, some multi-purpose grease. Daniel Miranda, if you're watching this video, I appreciate it. Forgot to give it back to you. Daniel Miranda. He's a Las Vegian now. Retiree. Dude's living that good life. But just grease up everything. Throw it back together. Make sure nothing's in here crazy. Everything feels good on the gears. So just put that back together. Nothing up here pretty much, but slide it back up here where it should be. Get you back on there. Come on. Like that. Emma. There we go. So no way of you coming off. So let's do this. Let's put this up. Let's get ready to put it back up. Alright. Just a comparison of the two. This is the new one. Let's see what we get kind of next to the other one. I can see, like, you see the gold strip in the middle. See how much meat is on that. Well, look at this one. It's like no meat. So let's put these in. Let's get ready to put it back together. Alright, got it, made it. You just try yourself. What you want to do now is get your wires Everybody's connected inside. Make sure this goes on top. So, all right, let's start from the rear and work our way forward. So tight, all four of these are tight, all four of these are tight, these four are tight, these two are tight, these four are tight, one is tight, all of these are tight. Check them over one more time, won't hurt. Yep, they're all tight. I know the top two are tight, these side twos are tight, the two on the starter is tight. That one's tight. And that's it. All these, four on the prop shaft. That's it, guys. I want to bleed it. See what time it is. I don't know what time it is. I got to leave at 6. Gotta leave at 6, so let's lower this down. Let's get this stuff from under here, and I'm gonna try and bleed this clutch real quick before it's time to close. All right, here I am, finished. So I bled the clutch, the new fluid in there. You can see it or not, but new fluid is in there. Clutch is bled. I bled the Altessa pump. If you don't know how to bleed the Altessa pump, I did put a video of that up before, so check that out. So I just finished bleeding Altessa and the clutch, and now I need to start it and make sure that the clutch works. So that's about to happen now. Start it up. It's in neutral. Make sure we're in neutral. Excuse the junk. I have just done all this and don't care. I'll clean it up later. All right. Clutch and feet press. Feels all right. I need to adjust it just a little bit, but neutral. Hard catch. Make sure my freaking wideband sensor works. The wire kind of got crazy when I was putting the transmission back in, so hopefully it's, there we go, it's reading. Ugh, thank you. Continue to work, please. All right. Parking brake off. I think I need to bleed again, because it feels a little spongy, but That, my friends, is a clutch change on a GTR R33, and about from start to finish, I pulled this car in the stall around 2-ish, and I'm finished now at 5:15 by myself, no help, by myself. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. If you have any questions, please just contact me, leave a message or comment. I didn't put like all of me doing the whole thing. If you want a tutorial on how to remove the clutch, I think I have one that I did before, but if so, I will find that video and I'll put it up. I'll put a video of it up. But that's it. Clutch is done, clutch is in. I will break it in a little bit more just to make sure, and I'll adjust this pedal, or maybe bleed the clutch a little bit more because it feels a little meh on the pedal. So I'll probably bleed again or adjust the pedal, one or two, but we'll make sure it's good. Thank you, and like, share, subscribe for Nismology. Later. That's a big boy. Oh God, why am I don't know.